Alright guys, I'm gonna do a little trade recap here. First, let's go to the 4 hour. I'm trying to really systemize my strategy and what I like to see. Now on the 4 hour, we were obviously very bearish. I was very aware of this order block and this fair value gap we had right here, but obviously we weren't really reacting. We already weren't reacting off of it. So give me more bearish confluence. Structure is bearish. Go down to the 1 hour. Kind of the same setup here. Market opens around here. We're very bearish. We're cycling down slowly. Kind of showing like here comes a dump. And around market open though, if you can see, right here we create this fair value gap imbalance bearish on the hourly, which higher time frames, higher power. So I mark that out and I wait to around 10 o'clock, which is my good time. That's when I'm usually best at trading. And now I watch for it. Now on the 5 minute, we're going down slowly, or we start to rip up, but NAS isn't ripping up at the same time. It's slowly going up, but not nearly as much, as SPX is, which usually that's the opposite. So that's showing me that the buyers aren't able to push NAS up. It's just showing it's not like true, kind of in a way. So I see that and I'm like, wow. So we really want to go down because NAS isn't even going up. SPX is just going up to fill this imbalance. So I try to stay away from the 1 minute just because you can get faked out easily. But what I do is I wait, and I didn't see this at the time, but this is essentially what happened. One, there's an inverse fair value gap here or inverse here. There's multiple areas you could have entered, and if I think correctly, this is like a low, so then this would be the break of structure candle right here, and that's around where I entered. I entered off the 1 minute. I didn't even need like a fair value gap or like a break of structure. I'm starting just understanding reading structure. Like we come up to rip to touch the fair value gap. We get almost the top of the wick and then we straight shoot down. I enter. Like, and my stops are in a good spot. Like I have my stops set above. I think I had them at these highs at first. But like, it's still a great trade. Even to the first take profit I really wanted was just these previous lows. So like even to here, like that's still a 1-1. But this is what I really wanted, which were the 4 hour lows. I ended up closing early because it's weird paper trading on TradingView. You can't really like close partials. I'll probably start messing with DX trades is what I should do because that's where we're gonna be at with 1 of 1. Some good news with 1 of 1. They announced that they're gonna reset all account drawdowns to break even. So my 100K account that I've been grinding to get back, it's gonna be at a base 100K, that's huge. My 6K funded, we'll get back to that too, which is also huge. But yeah, I mean the one take profit was right here. We almost made it all the way down to here. That was my last one. I think this was an hourly, maybe 15-minute low. Yeah. And obviously they all got hit. We came down, hit it, consolidated, moved down even more. Now in the coming days, I don't know how much I'll trade tomorrow. Powell testifies. And then the next day I think Powell testifies again. Which is kind of huge. But Friday we'll trade for sure. And then Monday, no news Monday. I'll be on vacation, no trades. CPI, no trades. You could trade Wednesday. Thursday's PPI. And then, yeah. So then hopefully by that third week in March, Monday, March 18th, I should be on my funded account live trading. And it looks like it's going to be a great week, other than FOMC. But, yeah, I'm really excited to be back on my accounts. It looks like it's going to come back soon. And yeah, I mean, I think the trade I think I made like $2,000, but it's on demo, so it doesn't really matter. But it's just still following. I'm just like getting good at like reading the candle structure. I don't know, like people say it's bad. Oh my god, you're entering off nothing. Like no, like the confluences are there. They're adding up. Like we're bearish on every high time frame. We just created a big imbalance on the 1 hour. We're going up to fill that imbalance. We start to short, and then like you just enter. I don't know. But it's like my strategy. Everyone has their own strategies. It's just how the game works. And yeah, that was my trade. Huge win today. In total would have been a 3-3. Stops me to break even here, obviously. And then I closed my position here just because it was weird. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much.